This is its maiden voyage. We've come down to the Gold Coast, down to the canals just to test it and see how we go. This shouldn't be too big a drama. Alright, let's see how cold this water is. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, not only is it cold, it's wet.
Should we say a little, give it a little blessing or something? I didn't bring the champagne. Oh, that water's lovely.
It's cold.
Oh, it's lovely.
I could probably put it in backwards, but anyway. Okay, would you like to hop in now?
Yes. Can you just tell me a little bit about your experience, Gary? Your credentials? Like, am I safe on this vessel?
Totally.
Totally. All right.
My credentials, I haven't been on the water for a while. I guess as a kid, 8, we used to take.
So the last time you were in a boat, you were 8 years old. Okay, we've got no problems here. We've got no problems.
No, we're totally under control. What can go wrong?
Oh, God, I hate it when you say that. Okay.
All right.
So what should I do? I should
You hop in the boat.
Okay.
Head down here to the business end. We haven't had it started yet, so I'll start it up before I go launching it. And see how it goes. A bit off. Right. Give this
Gary
fuel.
does have his boat licence, so it's all okay.
We have been down here before.
We have, yes.
Not with this. Okay. Let's see. I don't expect this to start second or third pull. We're going to get some fuel happening. Oh, gee whiz. I didn't expect that to happen. You are kidding.
We have ignition.
Well, we have movement.
You'll have to give me lessons at some stage, not today.
Just stay there for a minute.
No, I don't want to know now. Are we all good, Gary?
All right.
Should we have the safety procedures?
Yes. Hang on. Sit down. And let's go.
Oh, it travels very smoothly, isn't it? Very quiet.
The engine is, yes. Yes, you're able to hold a conversation without having to yell and scream over the top of it. So that's great. Surprised at just how smooth this is. Like we're only just pottering along here. So it's the first time we've used it. I didn't want it to be racing around, so we chose the canals just to give it a bit of a run. We'll head out to Nerang River shortly, pick up the pace a little bit to see what it's like. But this is sort of old stomping territory for us. We've been around here more than once.
In a bigger boat.
In a bigger boat. It's a lovely, quiet sort of an area. Not a lot of traffic, particularly this time of day and through the middle of the week. So it's beautiful day, an absolute pearler. Wouldn't be dead for quids, eh?
And the good thing, there's no crocodiles.
No crocodiles here. The sharks ate them all.
There are a few bull sharks, but no crocs.
I didn't bother videoing the likes of setting it all up. We brought it down on the trailer already inflated. And we covered the inflation side of it there before when we first picked it up. So I couldn't see the point going over old ground. But it was just a case of lifting it off the trailer, sat it on the ground, and thanks to the dolly wheels on the back, we were able to move it right beside the vehicle.
This boat. It's like something out of James Bond.
Well, that was a good exercise actually. We found it was extremely comfortable, very, very comfortable in the smooth water. There was a little bit of a chop. It was just a breeze to sort of chop up the water. and it was far more comfortable than I expected. Even going over the wash from other boats, it was pretty good. But what we did find was it wanted to porpoise a little bit, and we need a cavitation plate to stop the cavitation. So we'll put those things on, like a cavitation plate, and maybe change the angle of the outboard as it's running. But it certainly comes up on the plane pretty quick, and yeah, happy as Larry. Absolutely happy as Larry. Alright guys, if you've enjoyed the content of this video, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, and we'll see you next time out in the big wild blue yonder there in the truck maybe. You just never know what we're going to come up with. Cheers guys.